guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guess what we'll be talking about? A very interesting topic. Yeah, we'll be talking about the Igbo culture. Yeah, my culture, our culture. Yeah. So today I hope you'll be able to learn something new and interesting in this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. Now let's begin. So I'll be making it brief, saying the periphery. Yeah, I'll try not to make this boring. Yeah. So first off, the Igbos are the third largest ethnic group in the country, Nigeria. They are mostly traders, farmers, craftsmen, with agriculture being the most dominant activity. Yeah. So Igbos are present, they are dominant in Imo, Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Ebonyi, which are different states in Nigeria. Yeah, they're also in Delta and River states. Yeah, but other than that, Igbos, they live in various countries around the world. Yeah. So the main language in the Igbo culture is Asusu Igbo. Yeah, that's the main language in Igbo culture. And along with their main religion being Christianity, but few other practice their own religion with different gods. Yeah, but the main religion in the Igbo is Christianity. Now, the next thing we'll be talking about are the days in Igbo. Yeah, the days of the week in the Igbo culture. Like the normal days, which is the Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Monday. In the Igbo culture, there are 4 market days, which are Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. Those are the 4 market days in Igbo, and every village in the Igbo land hold these days sacred. Yeah, so many villages have their own days which they hold sacred. Yeah, between this Eke, Ori, Afo, and Nkwo. In some villages, Eke is like the supreme day. There will be no burial can be held on that Eke market day. Then most villages, Nkwo, they regard Nkwo as Nkwo their son. Most villages in the Igbo culture. Yeah, so like that's the best market day where you can get varieties of, it's not that you can't get varieties in the market, but at that Nkwo day, it's so holy that anything you want, you can get it at that market day. Now, there are also some that hold Afo and Ori as their own sacred market day. So it just depends on the village in the Igbo land. Now, another interesting thing in this market days is back then in the days, most newborns which are born in this market days, they're usually named. This market days is added to the names. Like if a person is born on a K market day, they are named Mbweke. Then if someone is born in Orie market day, they are called Mbori. Someone called a newborn in Afo market day, they are called Okafo. And then another one born in Nkwo market day, they are called Wankwo, and so on. So they just try to add in this market day to the name given to their kids. So the Igbo culture, it has like various traditional costumes, which include masquerades, music, dance, unique attire, and languages. Then one of the most notable activities and practices that the Igbo culture celebrates is the annual New Yam Festival, which is known as Jofur. Yeah, that's like a very big festival in the Igbo culture, New Yam Festival, which is called Ji Ofuru. Then we would also be talking about in terms of masquerades. I won't be saying much on this because it's usually handled by the male, the men. So we the women, we don't actually know so many things pertaining the masquerade. So all I can say is it's usually used to for entertainment during festive period in the Igbo culture. As a woman, I cannot say things pertaining the masquerade is handled by the male factor. So coming to the music in Igbo, the Igbos, they have a melodic musical style too. So some of their instruments, Igbo instruments, are the oja, which is similar to the flute, and then the iwa and ichaka. Then we can also see other popular forms of Igbo music in high life, which we've seen, which is a mixture of jazz and traditional Igbo music. So this modern Igbo high life can be seen in the works of Prince Neko Mbaga, Dr. Sam Warrior, and Oliver Dikoko, Bright Chimezie, Celestine Uku, and Chief Osita Osadebe. Yeah, he's actually the owner of our background music. Yeah, so these are some of the greatest Igbo high life musicians of the 20th century. Yeah, so down to the Igbo clothing. So most back then in the days, which is not now, clothing has various shapes and pattern embroidered onto them, and women usually wear elegant blouses with puffed sleeves and coral designs, and the men, they usually wear simple cotton robes with a white shirt and sandals. So that was then. Currently, we put on our Igbo attires, like all those traditional wears you see the Igbos wear with the wrapper and everything. So there are modernized dressing right now. Yes, so this is concerning the traditional clothes. Yeah. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is how the Igbos entertain visitors. In the Igbo culture, once a visitor comes to your house, the first thing you're serving them is the kola nut, which is called oji. That is the first thing an Igbo man gives to his visitor, the kola nut, which is oji. And then it's not only for visitors. It's also used. It can be used in meetings. It can be used in marriage ceremonies. Yeah, and so on. That's where we use this oji, which is known as kola nut. Then another thing about Igbo, I would say, is they take respect very seriously, respecting your elders. Since we are all talking about the Igbo culture, respecting your elders, they take it very seriously, like saying good morning to your elders and things like that. They really take it very serious in Igbo land. So if you're an Igbo person, try as much as possible to respect your elders. Then another important aspect in the Igbo culture is the traditional marriage, which is called the Ibanku. Yeah, so different villages have their own way of traditional marriage, how they do their own traditional marriage. But I'm just gonna tell you a scope of how it looks. Prior to the traditional marriage, the groom goes to the bride's house with either his kinsman or he goes with his kinsman and his dad. And in situation whereby his dad is dead, he can go with his uncle and his kinsman. So the first thing they do is they go to the bride's house. When you go to their house, you indicate interest. Some people will be like, I saw this we saw a goat passing by your house, or we came to plug a beautiful tree in your house, or we saw this mango tree in your house, we came to plug it, or so many things they can use, so many phrases they can use to describe the bride. So once they come, the next thing is if the father of the bride is not available, her uncle can stand in for her. So the next thing is, when they indicate interest, they are saying, okay, no problem, so you have to come back in so days. And then when you come back, they're giving you a list of things. That is when they have accepted your proposal. The bride has accepted your proposal. Not the bride necessarily, the family has accepted your proposal. So that's basically how they do it in the Igbo culture. So this is like the superficial thing, the superficial concerning the Igbo culture. So I hope you guys learned a lot today, and I'll be so glad if you tell me how you feel concerning this video. And I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I'm so happy, and may Almighty God continue to bless you abundantly. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I think that's the end. So see you guys later. Bye.